Hi, I'm Paula from On a String. Let's have a look at what I made during July. I designed a special pair of earrings for our Design Eye membership, all about neutral study in earrings. These ones reflect a negative space and the use of neutral colours like white, but in different shades of matte and pearl with a pearl drop. If you're interested in this one, there is a link to find out more about our Design Eye membership. This pair of hexagon-shaped earrings with brick stitch and 6 different delicas was part of my unboxing project that I did for Adornable Elements. Check out the video with the QR code on the screen. Pinch window earrings, a brand new design to On a String. This one uses some pinch beads and rivolis, beads that were left over from another project and left on my board, and I love to use them up and make different things. This one, a design that you can actually access via the QR code. An unfinished piece. Part of my design on the fly back components was how to build a component out of different types of beads. So this one I've created 6 different elements and I've now purchased some more beads to continue making this into a piece. I'm not quite sure what this will end up being, but if you want to see the full video, check it out on the QR code. I love making earrings from other people's patterns as well. These ones are the retro kite earrings from Bingo Beads. It's an odd count peyote form in this kite shape, and you might notice I've used the same delicate colours that I had from my Bead of the Month Club, this really muted tones. Check it out at Bingo Beads on Etsy. Freeform peyote. This was a class that I taught for the Bead Society of Victoria. This is the start of a pendant piece, and you can see I've attached this lovely shell at the bottom here. I've still got a fair bit of work to do in sort of building out those different wings to create this pendant. But this one will be an absolute joy to wear in summertime due to the lovely colours of lime and green and cream and the little elements of pearl that come through in that as well. Watch out for a finished piece in the next month or so. Our Keepsake Collection boxes feature a cloud, and I beaded these during the month of July, ready for launch in August. Keepsake Collection boxes are unique to On a String. They're a 3D printed box available in either gold or available in silver. And each month there is a different motif on the lid, and for this month it was clouds. So you can see here I've created this sort of looped 3D effect with clouds, and this one is a lined and dotted view, so you can create either. But the best part about our Keepsake Collection boxes is you can just click that lid out and your beadwork is there tucked away behind our little secure lid here. Then you get to create a peyote band. So there's a 3D element to this one with some little size 11 beads that create that nice bump in there, and it's all about using odd count peyote and delicas to create. Available in either gold or silver. You can subscribe and receive a new box each month or purchase a single. Check it out in the QR code. I was so excited in July to be an ambassador for International Beading Week, and I launched my free pattern Starglass and did a presentation on it as well to an international audience. It was great fun. So this pattern, it's a freebie, so make sure you grab a copy via the QR code and you can actually create your own Starglass pendant with this beautiful magnifier in the centre and a really colourful happy version using all the colours of International Bead Week. But if you wanted something a bit more monochrome or a different style, you can create it in other colours as well. And this one I actually created is more of a lariat where the loop actually goes through the centre of the chain and you can wear it in a long form. Different options, but make sure you grab your free copy of Starglass. Thanks so much for checking out what I made during the month of July. Watch out, there's more coming in August. Bye for now, I'm Paula from On a String. Right. Man, the bloopers on this is just classic. All right. And I'm not allowed to say and last but not least. And last. First up, I made.
Get them all on the other side.
What do you mean on the other side?
Because I'm going to have the menu.
Oh,
down.
sorry, here.
Yeah.
Pinch windows was a new design. Pinch window earrings was a new. Pinch window earrings. Pinch windows, a brand new design to On a. Pinch window earrings, a brand new design to On a String. Still a bit clunky, but anyway, that'll do. Then a kite, odd count. I've got to say that again. I've used too many words. And I love making beads and, not beads, earrings. The buttons.
Yes.
That I wouldn't use them, or I would.
You got to use